Storm Roslyn was weakening Sunday as it moved across west-central Mexico, though heavy rains and flash flooding continued, the U.S. National Hurricane Center said. Roslyn hit land as a Category 3 hurricane at 5:20 a.m. local time near Santa Cruz in northern Nayarit, the NHC said, a Pacific coastal state home to popular tourist beaches like Sayulita and Punta Mita. By midday, however, Roslyn was downgraded to a tropical storm with maximum sustained winds that decreased to near 70 miles per hour with stronger gusts. More rapid weakening was expected as the storm moved farther inland, the NHC said. Images from Nayarit after Roslyn made landfall showed cars submerged in water and homes with major damage to roofs and outdoor coverings. Emergency officials were dispatched to the most affected areas, the state's civil security agency said on Twitter. Only minor damage was reported in neighboring Jalisco, according to the state's governor. The busy international Puerto Vallarta airport resumed all operations. Heavy rainfall and flooding were expected to continue in some areas of the storm's path, the NHC said. Up to 10 inches of rain was expected on the upper coast of Jalisco and Nayarit. Southeastern Sinaloa and southern Durango into southwestern Zacatecas could see as much as 8 inches of rain.